So let's zoom out and look at what we're. So we need to connect the floor drain, water closet, these two urinals. So the good thing about looking at 3D is, which is on the right here, and this is the middle section, but are you looking at a plan or are you looking at a section view without looking at this plumbing overall? But this is kind of, we're looking at a section view, but what I'm trying to do is connect my floor drain to create a main 4-inch sanitary that's going to pick up these two urinals. So what I have is a 3-inch that's going to connect to a 4-inch. So let's start here. So what I did, I made sure that this 3-inch and this 4-inch align using this tool. So I aligned that tool with that tool and made sure that the alignment with the 3-inch and the fitting and the 4-inch are aligned. So pipe and select to align. Okay, so that's what's going on. So let's go back to my, so I'm going to draw a detail line just here. I'm just going to trim my 3-inch back just a little bit back here so I can put a 4-inch. I want to put a 4-inch fitting in here. Okay, make sure my slope is going down here just enough, because what happened? Oh, I see what happened. I gotta change it to a 4-inch, right? So we change this to a 4-inch so it can be a fitting that's going down. Okay, and now let's move the fitting in this little spool piece back. Okay, let's move it, shift. Okay, and that's a little room. It's a little close, but I'm gonna go to my section view and just for fun, and draw my pipe, 4-inch pipe up, slope up, and let's connect into, see Revit was supposed to connect. So what I'm gonna do, let's drag. Let's see what happens if I drag this in. Nope. That's not gonna work either. Let's slope, draw pipe down. Let's see if I can get it this way. Can I get it this way? Nope. Okay. So what's going on here? I am going to undo. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this again. Let's align our main 4-inch with our 4-inch. And let's see if we can drag the two together. Okay, we got them. Okay, so that's good. So we got those two connected. And we always want to make sure that we get our fixture units, right? So we got 8 fixture units. Everything is good. Okay. So we need to, let's hook up our urinals. And our urinals, we have, okay. I'm gonna continue drawing another detail line just to bring out the 4-inch. Okay, so let's extend 4-inch. Okay, and give me a section view of the urinals. Center rotation. I'm gonna place it about right here and give me a 90 so we can look at our urinal sanitary. Okay, that looks pretty easy, right? We got our trap here. So it looks like all we need to do is align our 2-inch. I'm using a 2-inch. And we do the same with our second urinal. Okay, looks okay, looks okay, looks okay. Right? So we align our 2-inch pipe with our 4-inch pipe. And so that, and again, you can use either, I mean, it's section view to connect, right? So now I go to 90 degrees and look at the connection that would happen. Okay, so you can do it like this, where you connect your pipe, right, to, or you can undo, right, and go, which is what I prefer to do a lot of times, just to see, just, I don't know, maybe it's out of habit, I don't know, I just would prefer to see the connections in 3 dimensions, you know, I don't know, but it's just, and then just out of habit, just make sure that your fixture units are always being counted, because water supply fixture units, drainage fixture units, you know, fixture units are what a lot of times determine the size of the pipe, you know. Okay, so what I wanted to show was how to connect a floor drain, water closet, and two urinals. Just basic horizontal to vertical piping, and seeing how those components can easily fit together, you know. And then, well, and then once after you, let's say, after doing that, and you have enough room to, let's say, there's not a lot of room in here, so that would be the length, or the beginning, or the farthest, let's say, you know, we're gonna connect all of this stuff up. But I just wanted to show you guys, you know, a few ways to connect your drainage fixture units with a few of the fixtures: floor drain, a water closet, and 2 urinals. So, okay guys, talk to you guys later.